Ever feel like your brain is a million tabs open at once? Documents scattered across your desktop, to-do lists scribbled on napkins, and important notes buried somewhere in the depths of your email? Yeah, we've all been there. That desperate scramble for information, the frustration of a disorganized workflow. Thankfully, in recent years, a new contender has emerged in the productivity app arena, promising to be the all-in-one solution to our organizational woes. But what exactly is Notion, and why has it become such a phenomenon? Notion isn't just another to-do list app. It's a workspace chameleon, a shape-shifting behemoth that can morph into whatever you need it to be. Think digital notebook, project management hub, knowledge base, or even a company wiki, all rolled into one. The key to Notion's popularity lies in its flexibility. Unlike traditional apps with rigid structures, Notion offers a blank canvas. You can build databases to organize information, create wikis for team collaboration, and craft stunning presentations, all within the same platform. Imagine ditching the clutter of multiple apps and having everything in one, easily accessible location. No more frantic searches for that crucial document or frustrated toggling between different programs. Notion lets you connect the dots, fostering a holistic view of your work and projects. But flexibility isn't the only weapon in Notion's arsenal. Customization is another huge draw. You're not limited to predefined templates or layouts. Notion empowers you to personalize your workspace, tailoring it to your specific needs and preferences. Want a to-do list that integrates seamlessly with your Kanban board? Done. Need a meeting agenda that transforms into a collaborative brainstorming session? Piece of cake. Notion's drag-and-drop functionality and a vast library of building blocks allow you to craft a workspace that reflects your unique way of working. Let's not forget the power of collaboration. Notion thrives in team environments. Real-time editing, shared workspaces, and built-in commenting features make it easy for teams to work together seamlessly, eliminating the need for endless email chains and duplicated documents. Imagine a project where everyone can access the latest updates, contribute ideas, and track progress, all in one centralized location. Notion fosters transparency, promotes accountability, and keeps everyone on the same page. Of course, with great power comes a slight learning curve. Notion's versatility can be overwhelming at first, but the app's intuitive interface and a supportive online community make it easy to get started and navigate its many features. There's also a thriving ecosystem of templates and resources created by the Notion community itself. From project management frameworks to personal habit trackers, there's a pre-built solution for almost any workflow imaginable. So, is Notion the perfect productivity app? Well, as with any tool, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. But there's no denying its immense potential. Notion offers a level of flexibility, customization, and collaborative power that's truly unmatched. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps and struggling to stay organized, Notion is definitely worth a try. It might just be the key to unlocking a new level of productivity and streamlining your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.